Hey guys, today we are not going to be playing Roblox. Today instead, I want to show you something. Also, ignore my voice because I'm still a little bit sick. But anyway, here's what I'm going to show you. A fire alarm pull down station. I found this in my basement. It was from 2017. And today we are going to use it. I have no idea how I'm going to hold the camera. But I think you push it down and there we go. We activate it. Okay. And now to deactivate it, we have to, oh gosh, this is going to be hard. Oh, yes, we did it. We did it. Okay, and now it's reset, so that's basically it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.